In this video, we'll learn how to use the LG ThinQ app. Let's start with step 1, downloading the LG ThinQ application. If you're an Apple user, head to the App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can find it on the Play Store. Once downloaded, open the application. Upon opening, a pop-up will ask for notification permissions. Click on Allow. You'll then be greeted with a beautiful walkthrough of the application across 5 slides. Simply slide through to explore the features. Once on the 5th screen, click Next. After the walkthrough, the LG ThinQ app will prompt you to either log in or register. Existing users can enter their ID and password, while new users should click on Register. During the registration process, you'll encounter the terms and conditions. Click on Accept All and then Next. The registration form will appear, starting with the entry of your email address. Afterward, click the button to send a verification code, which will be sent to your email. Enter the code and click on Verification Code. Once verified, you'll receive confirmation. Enter a password with a minimum of 8 characters, including a combination of capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Provide your first and last name, date of birth, and phone number. Verify your phone number by clicking on Send Verification Code and confirm the code received. After phone verification, click Next. You'll receive a screen confirming the successful registration of your account. Click on Go to Home to start using LG services. Upon starting, the app may request Bluetooth permissions. Click on Allow. Now, you can add your products and enjoy the services provided by LG ThinQ.